Ahead of the 2026 general elections, the Electoral Commission is organizing a voters' register display from April 25th to May 15th. Every registered voter is encouraged to visit their polling station during this period and confirm that your name, photo, and other particulars are correctly captured. Raise any concerns, report errors, and ensure that only rightful voters remain on the register. This includes the deceased, underaged, if any, or those who belong to other parishes. Be part of the journey to a credible, inclusive elections. A clean national voters register is a cornerstone for transparent, peaceful, free, and fair elections.
Konsandia olwaleero oluvugana lwale twagala twogere mawulire agabadde gatambuzibwa URA ku nsonga gye tukiriyalingamu ebintu nga twegattidde wamu mu konteyina gye bayita Groupage, ate ekyatwevunyisizza ate n'okwongeza emisolo. As many of us may be aware of the above subjects, Kacita Uganda made several consultations from different sector leadership, container coordinators or leaders, shipping companies, general membership, especially those involved in the import trade of various goods and products, and wish to officially respond to the recent notes issued by Uganda Revenue Authority dated 24th April 2025. Nga tumaze okwebuuza bukulembeze bw'abasuubuzi obw'enjawulo, badde ba container coordinators, abamu bayita ba container leaders. Bano babeera basuubuzi abeegattira awamu okujjuza container olw'ensonga olw'emisolo emingi bizinesi zasanyalalamu, naye nga notisi eno URA gye yafulumya nga 24 eyagala okuyimiriza enkola eno okuggyako ng'olina empapula zo eziraga biki by'otisse gye bayita separate bill. Kati awo ne kitutabula egamba ate sigiyimiriza ate eteekako obukwakulizo. This notice acknowledged the effective banning of groupage cargo under container consignment, and it is accompanied by the House Bill of Lading. The Commissioner General raised concerns of alleged exploitation of traders by container leaders, mainly terms as middlemen, through inflated tax charges and revenue manipulation. In the same note, Kacita Uganda noted that URA also made significant increase in the customs valuation of garments and similar goods at the point of clearance. While Kacita Uganda supports initiatives to streamline tax administration and ensure fairness in trade, we are compelled to express deep concern of the timing, approach, and consequences of the measures taken, since there are still challenges with the House Bill of Lading as indicated below. Tulowooza nti wadde Uganda Revenue Authority evunaanyizibwa okuŋŋaanya emisolo, ne twebuuza nti ke kaseera kano emaze okukola okwebuuza okumala, naffe Kacita tetunaba kwebuuzibwako. Ng'ovuddeko ku ekyo, ye bano beegamba nti ba middlemen, abasuubuzi bo bakyogerako ki? Kyova olaba olw'ensonga ezo twagala okukkaatiriza ensonga ezo mu kiwandiiko kino tugenda okubeera nga nammwe tubavaamu naye njagala okugezaako okufunza realistic increment of values for different items and concomitant ban on groupage cargo as well as delayed clearance. This house building lending, some values have tripled, especially garments. Nekitwewuunyisa nga tuli mu lutalo luno already values zaayongezeddwa. And when we last met the president insisted that let URA hold on all new policies and measures until we harmonize the engagement and consultations, which up to now we haven't yet finalized. Nekyatwewuunyisiza ate nga URA etandise ate okwongeza values ekireetera ddala obusuubuzi okukaluba. Naye njagalira ddala okukaatiriza ku nsonga eno gyeyagala okuteekamu enkola. There are very many expenses for clearing each house bill entry. For example, agents' fees minimum is 500. Capturing entry is 200,000. Transfer fees is 150,000. Revoke inspection is $250. Charged per entry, warehousing, handling, storage of a minimum of 500, among others. These expenses make it unaffordable, especially because small traders with small consignments, these charges inflate on their profits, which someone is supposed to benefit from the consignment.